Good morning and happy Monday. It's now June 8th. This is the second to last Monday in the school year. So I know that's going to make some of you folks happy and probably some of you sad. I think I'm in the same, I think I fall within that range. Part of me is happy, part of me is sad. I'm really sad that we did not get a chance to get back in the classroom and for you to actually make projects that you wanted to make with my help and, supervision. You know, uh, we've never had a global pandemic in our lifetime before. So this being the first time this has happened, and God, I hope it's the last time it happens in our lifetime. It's definitely a challenge. Okay. Um, Basically, we're going to work through this just like we work through everything. You don't give up, you just keep trying. And hopefully you did that with your engineering design process assignment from last week. Hopefully you picked a challenge that was suitably challenging for you and you work through it until you were done and able to document your work. Now, speaking of last week and leading into this week, I have only about 50% of the assignments turned in from last week. This week, knowing that you're probably under a lot of stress and uh, time sensitive activities for all your classes to wrap up the assignments by the end of the school year, this week is really just a catch up week for us. From now until the end of the school year, I'm not assigning any more new work. By all means, if you want to try some of those other activities on that Try Engineering website, the PBS challenges that I had you look through, I noticed quite a few of you picked an easy challenge when I asked you, okay, how was this challenge rated? Was it rated easy, medium, or hard? A lot of people chose easy, and then they were like a little disappointed with some of the results because either they built it and it worked out, okay, or they didn't have all the materials that they felt they needed to properly make the device work. So my thought is that, hey, you know what? If you weren't happy with how that challenge turned out and you think you needed some more materials that you think you could alter your device with or make a version 2, try that. Go for it. Okay. So for those of you who have not completed your work, please, let's get that. Okay. As always, check School Tool. If you're missing any grades in School Tool, then you should make sure you circle back to those and make sure you get those in. I have a feeling there's some of you that have done the work, but you just haven't turned it in yet, which is very sad. I want you to turn that work in. I want to give you full credit for the time you spent on the class, and then we're going to go from there, excuse me. All right, so I will see you guys later. Feel free to touch back. I'm going to be leaving videos every morning for the rest of the week, but there are doing no new assignments this week. We really need everybody to get all the past assignments done. If you're done with all the assignments for your class and you look in School Tool, you've got all your grades, you're happy with them, then you're okay. That's all right. You can always shoot me a note saying, hey, Mr. Bodding, this one assignment, I didn't get that great of a grade on it. I'd like to raise my grade a little bit. Can I, what can I do? Okay, and we can work one-on-one discussing, okay, are there simple changes you can make to that document to improve your grade on that assignment? Or, if you're just happy with it, if you're like, hey, I got a 99, I'm happy with that. Okay, that's fine. I'd be happy with a 99 too. Guys, please use this time wisely in our last full week of school to get all your classes completed. Let's finish the year on a strong note. Okay? All right. Well, thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.